Atiapa, a very experienced referee in the Ghana Premier League. And you can see there's joy all over the stand. As this class is very, very important one for the Porcupine Warriors, who promised to honor the memory of Francis Nana Frimpong, known as Poli, now laced with a trophy. And you can see all over as they take their turn to shake hands with the match officials. But over the 12 games in the Ghana Premier League. And so that's Kotoko starting lineup. Entry returns into the starting team. Opoku, unless that means Odom Isaac. Dodo Isaac is the second assistant referee. True Democracy starting lineup. Botchway Akugri who lead the line. Close for the commencement of this game. And Kotoko already trying to make an catch it. Less than 1 minute. They are trying to register here. Intentions against the True Democracy side. Over some very veteran staff in the Division 1 League as well as this season's MTN FA Cup. But they would have to defend this. And there's a corner kick coming from the left-hand side, floated across. And has been met, has been booted out. But they'll stay on the edge of the area. As Kotoko once again will try to corner the dots. The man in the 44 shot brought down. Democracy would have to defend. Floated across, that's a lovely hit there. And Justice play. And he fired it wide. Kotoko's keeper fails to keep it down. But there's a bit of complaints here from the Kotoko players. Just maybe would have to just watch best and find True Democracy once again or run around from the far left-hand side. Drops it in, oh, that's a bit scrumpy, isn't it? This is dangerous. Opoku and teaming again, and then comes up somebody. And that will be another complaint from these two teams. That's a lovely play from Ntimenu. Lovely way to cut in. But of course, come on. Kodomo has got a big task to perform this, saving it, unless to keep that one out of his own yawning net. And that's going to be a long drive, oh my goodness, nearly to the far side. Well, just flashes wide, but not a bad idea. They'll take the train quickly. That's a poor one taken from Kotoko, but they managed to win possession. Still allowed to drive forward once again through West Sifai's base. Here's Saka. Looking for Patrick Asiedu. And that's a big boot. And Kotoko wins the train advantage. Quickly taken by Patrick Asiedu. Here's Saka down and decides to go for the blast. And it's in. Kotoko opens the scoring account. And it's Saka down who took. And with ease, first Kotoko into the lead. And Amwa cannot just reach it. The Porcupine Warriors are dancing and clapping. And Sakadauda hit it from inside the box. That's a quality hit, isn't it? That's a bit careless from True Democracy's defense, will be asking themselves a lot of questions. Well, they managed to fall back all of a sudden. And it was a quick throw taken by Patrick Asiedu, who saw Sakadauda run into that space. Not the best of power drive, but it is just enough to beat goalkeeper Amwa between the two sticks for True Democracy. Unless you can watch it for yourself again and enjoy the moment. 0-2. Looking for Botchway, finds it, drags it back to the far right-hand side for Akugru. Left-hand deep. Into the final third of Kotoko. That's Mafus trying to beat Adjected to it at the far corner side. Go past him, gets into the box. This could be a long drive, and again, Kamara at the right place to collect it. Next time around from there. Locked inside, and it's a copper bullet, and it's been well dealt with by Amwa. I saw it drifting onto his first. Have been enjoying this game right from the blast of the way still. Back to Asiedu. Amwa. They need to be careful. And nearly gets in the second. Yes, entry. And the referee was booked their way into the semi-finals. That's a lovely ball there from Anchiajoy, and a penalty has been given to Asante Kotoko. And you can see everyone is just up on your feet. And next man, Kwame Opoku, I was just telling you about him. He does not need so much. He does not need so much off the ball. He does not need to see so much off the ball. Just a little effort. And he, well, let's wait a minute. Here was it again. And the first one well taken care of. The second one, you need to really keep your eyes in that incident. But absolutely nothing was done to him, Kwame Opoku. Nobody touched him. But it's a very difficult angle for the referee to see. Maybe we'll have the benefit of seeing that replay and to ascertain whether there was any touch on Kwame Opoku. Two different opposite teams tonight. As Kotoko inspirationally look for the second one. But the big question is, can the goalkeeper go for that one? Keep it out. Blay! Oh, comes off the woodwork. And through Democracy, hacks onto the one-goal cushion against them. Justice Blaze, penalty once again. Kicks the crossbar and comes out. And there's nobody to pounce on it to make it 2. Well, really beating the goalkeeper. If it's well taken by Botchway, starts to go for the head. Oh my goodness, it's in! It's in! Oh my goodness, it's in! And Botchway with a thunderbolt to beat Mohamed Kamara to it. And True Democracy are back in his tie in the Garden City. And it's the man in the 10 who strikes them into the game. I've just told you that Kotoko needs to really sit on the edge of their seat. With the way True Democracy have been very calm in the last few minutes in this particular half. Not showing that hastiness they saw in the first 45 minutes. And it's Botchman who brings back the Tema-based club into the game. What their fans have been calling for. Really beating Kamara to his far post. Arriving a third late. And yes, goes under him. That was very quick. That was very fast. Well, as a Botchway formerly of Wafa and SNFC, so at least to draw level. And they hit the decision. They'll be laughing at the wrong side of their mouth as Kotoko will have to continue to press. And this is a big moment coming in. It's drawn back. Oh my goodness, that is a real piece of Iraq defending. Yeah. Here's Sabetamwa. Lovely spread to the far right hand side for Ajete. Saturday swinger, this could be the moment, but what a big hand from Godfred Amwa to deny Kotoko. They are second. Samuel Tenedo instead. Aqua drifting from the left-hand side. This could be a big moment. That is blocked by Abdul Basit. Kotoko still have the advantage, and it's in! It is in! It is in! It is in! It's Kwame Opoku with the winning goal for Kotoko. And the big man have just danced on the big stage. I told you, he does not need several touches within through Democracy's territory. Just a little, and he will be a bit problematic. And the Kotoko fans have just all of a sudden found their voice. Watch it once again. What struck? And Kwame Opoku rejoices.